Okay, show me how high you can jump.
Oh my goodness.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Okay. What's this, Mommy?
I don't want to watch.
Okay. What's this? Don't say cheese.
Don't say cheese.
Say, oh
Oh
man.
man.
Oh, man. Yeah, oh, man.
Oh man. Okay. Some Chuck E. Cheese's. Yeah. Okay.
Say, oh, man.
Oh man.
Get that part.
Okay. Wow. That was a big jump.
I
Wow.
got off of here.
Yeah, you did.
See? This is off here.
Mm-hmm.
This is, hey,
What?
but I'm going to drop off here.
Alright.
What's this?
Okay. Wow.
I did it.
You're like a big frog.
On a red frog.
Yeah, some good hops.
On a big frog. What?
Okay.
Big frog?
Okay, frog. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Whoop.
Ready on my frog? On a froggy.
Uh-huh.
On a real froggy.
A real frog?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it.
I know, because there's Hebrew.
I know.
Oh,
You reverted.
you gotta use both legs to jump, honey.
Two
Mommy.
legs jump.
What's this, Mommy?
Okay, honey. That was a good one.
What's this, Mommy?
Okay.
What's this? I'm going up here. I'm going to jump off here. What's this?
Okay.
Here we go. I dropped off here.
Are you gonna teach your sister how to do that?
Yeah.
What?
We're a part of the guy.
Really?
Yeah. The guy in there, that's my guy.
That's yours, guy? Whoops. You got yourself dizzy.
What's this, Mommy?
Okay, honey. Whoa. I think Grandma would say, oh no, pumpkin pie, that's not safe.
Daddy says jump higher.
Yeah.
Why?
See how high you can jump.
What does your grandma call you?
Hi, pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Oh, house.
At her house? What does your Auntie Chancy call you?
Hi, Boogie.
Yeah.
Her auntie's house. Our whole house. Jump down.
Yeah.
I need to drop down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this? Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Whoa.
I need to go up here.
Can you count first?
Count 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. And we go. And we go. That's a big. Huh.
Uh-huh. Okay, now do 3, 2, 1, blast off.
1, 2, blast off.
No, 3, 2, 1, blast off. 3, 2, 1, blast off.
I fallen down there.
Phil?
No, I dropped down.
You like
What?
Buzz Lightyear? Can you fly like Buzz?
Yeah.
Can you say to infinity
To infinity.
and
Blast off.
beyond?
And beyond.
Say to infinity and to the carpet. Can you say to infinity and beyond?
To infinity and beyond. I got here.
girls. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Huh?
Everybody go!
Okay.
Out in the mint.
Oh.
Oh, you think you need some more?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
she needs more sugar, Dad, for sure.
Go up there and jump again.
Okay. A toy. You see it.
Okay, go up there and tell me your ABCs.
A, B, C, H, I, J, and then O, P, Q, R, S. Ready? Let me go. I did it.
Oh my goodness.
I did it. I'm in the mint. Ow.
I would have never thought you wanted some more M&Ms.
I'm more in the mint.
It's bedtime now.
Hey.
Time to rest and relax. Read a book.
And read the book down here.
What book would you like to read?
That one.
I need a reading book.
There's a reading.
Annika, can you say goodnight?
Good night, Mom.
Good night.
What?
Good night.
I need a book off.
You need to tell Daddy good night. Last one. Last jump.
Gotta count.
1, 2, 3, 4. And we go. That's a good jump.
Good jump.
Where's the box?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mom.
You gotta wave to me.
Wave to the camera.
Wave.
See you later. Be goofy again later. No more jumps.
The last jump.
You already had your last jump. And it was a good one.
Can you blow me a kiss?
That's nice.
I want the knuckles here.
Oh,
This.
Can you give her a puppy kiss? Mommy wants a puppy kiss.
okay. No, I don't.
Mommy wants a puppy kiss.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
No, I don't. No, I don't want a puppy kiss. No.
I'm a puppy.
Oh, that's a nice puppy. You stay there. It can be nice. Oh,
Puppies give kisses.
no. Look at hugs.
Give her a hug and a kiss.
Hug you a kiss.
Annika.
Still listen to Daddy.
Annika.
No, I want to give him a kiss. No. Got one.
Listen, kiss. That's a kiss.
Okay.